Today, we're counting down the top 10 biggest dog breeds. Let's dive right in. Great Dane, the majestic giant. Weight, 70 to 100 kg. Irish Wolfhound. Weight, 60 to 90 kg. English Mastiff. Weight, 70 to 104 kg. St. Bernard. Gentle Giant. Weight, 70 to 118 kg. Newfoundland. Weight, 50 to 75 kg. Leonberger, a lion among dogs. Weight, 40 to 70 kg. Tibetan Mastiff. Weight, 40 to 68 kg. Anatolian Shepherd. Weight, 40 to 70 kg. Caucasian Shepherd. Weight, 60 to 90 kg. Bernese Mountain Dog. Alpine Elegance. Weight, 40 to 60 kg. And there you have it.